Dancehall legend Lieutenant Stitchie hospitalized after severe stroke. Fans rally for support. Lieutenant Stitchie, the legendary Jamaican dancehall and gospel artist, is facing one of the most challenging battles of his life. The 58-year-old icon, known for hits like Where You Size and Natty is currently hospitalized in Kingston after reportedly suffering a debilitating stroke. His condition has sent shockwaves through the music community, as fans and fellow artists rally behind him in this difficult time. According to reports from Dave Rodney, Stitchie's former manager, the entertainer's family confirmed his hospitalization but has not provided full details about the severity of his illness. While there's been speculation about a severe brain hemorrhage, Rodney emphasized that the full extent of his condition is yet to be officially confirmed by doctors. Despite the uncertainty, one thing is clear: Lieutenant Stitchie is fighting a serious health battle. Social media has been flooded with messages of love and support from fans worldwide, many of whom were devastated by the news. Stitchie's family has also taken to the public for assistance, setting up a GoFundMe account to raise funds for his medical care and long-term rehabilitation. In their heartfelt appeal, they described the legendary artist as unresponsive and urgently in need of specialized care. The family hopes to transfer him to a long-term care facility, where he can receive the rehabilitation and attention needed to recover from this devastating incident. The GoFundMe page speaks to the gravity of the situation, noting how much support is needed, not just financially but also through prayers and well wishes. For those who grew up listening to Stitchie's music, this moment is particularly heartbreaking. His contributions to both dancehall and gospel music have made him a beloved figure across generations. As a former schoolteacher and athlete, Lieutenant Stitchie was known not only for his lyrical prowess, but also for his resilience and discipline. That same resilience will now be put to the test as he battles to recover from the stroke. His former manager recalled a conversation they had just a few weeks ago, where Stitchie was full of energy, excited about working on a new album and upcoming projects. It's a sobering reminder of how quickly life can change. Since becoming a born-again Christian in 1997, Lieutenant Stitchie has dedicated his life to creating inspirational music that uplifts and empowers listeners. His gospel albums and performances have reached audiences far beyond Jamaica, earning him fans across the globe. Now, those same fans are uniting to give back to a man whose music has inspired them for decades. In the coming days, updates on Stitchie's condition will be eagerly awaited by his supporters. While his future remains uncertain, there is hope that with the right medical care and the support of his fans, Lieutenant Stitchie will pull through this crisis. As his family continues to ask for prayers and contributions, the global music community is watching closely, united in the hope that one of Jamaica's musical giants will recover and return to what he loves most, making music. To all Lieutenant Stitchie fans, now is the time to rally behind this icon and support him in his time of need. Every donation, every prayer, and every message of encouragement makes a difference. Keep Stitchie in your hearts and thoughts as he fights his way back to health.